What's up everybody? How we doing today? Just want to say, first of all, welcome to another video. If you haven't noticed already, I kind of changed the name of the channel. I dropped the media, and so now we are just Syrious. I think I've told you guys how I've got that name a long time ago in another video. If you haven't already, it was a name that was given to me by my drumline back in high school when I was a freshman. They couldn't say my name right, Cyrus, so they ended up saying Syrious, and it just kind of stuck with me, and I've been using it for, wow, like 14 years plus now. So that's kind of how that went. But let's see, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, I have to go get dog food. So I'm gonna go get some dog food, and then at that point, I am going to be working a little bit on the EK hatch. Oh God. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on the EK hatch a little bit, and yeah, I'm making a lot of progress on the EK hatch, which makes me really happy. So yeah. All right, pulling up at the Mickey D's. At the Mickey D's. I think I gotta go around though. All right, now we're pulling up at the Mickey D's for real. Oh, they hiring. I used to work at McDonald's. I actually worked at McDonald's for 3 years. Fun fact. Yes, can I get a Honda fuel system, a full spoon kit, as well as some injectors?
Anything else?
Yeah, that'll be all.
All right, can we have 679?
Awesome, thank you. All right, guys, we finally made it back, and let me make sure I get everything before I go back inside. Oh no! No! Listen, I know this has happened to you guys before. You guys eat in your car too. I'm not the only one. Everyone eats in their car every now and then when they get the chance. But then stuff like that happens. You drop fries all over the floor and everything else. But check it out. So a company called Lasfit reached out to me, and they sent me some floor mats, and I'm checking them out. And fun thing, I was actually in the market for some floor mats, so this actually helped out tremendously. And don't say it, like, even if it's just not you dropping stuff in your car, you know, your significant other, someone else, they're dropping food in your car or something. Unless you just have the rule that you're not allowed to eat in my car. I understand that too. Good news, I got something just for y'all. Just keep watching. Alright, so let's see what Lasfit has brought me. Well, we know they're floor mats, but let's do a little unboxing of them, shall we? Awesome. Okay. So pretty simple. Got the little middle piece. A user's manual. Please do not place Lasfit liners on top of existing floor mats. Will do. Or will not be. Which one is it? I don't know. Alright. One of the back ones. Another back one. All right, passenger. And we have the driver. Cool. These, right off the bat, seem to be really durable. This is really durable. All right, here, let's compare it to the OEM, because I actually took it out already. Alright, so OEM, Lasfit. Cool. Awesome. So as you can tell right off the back, the Lasfit one is obviously very durable. The material that it's made of is really durable, really easy to clean, etc., etc. And as compared to the OEM one, only the good thing about the OEM ones are they're Type R OEM. So yeah, so I'm definitely going to run these probably from here on out. I'm gonna go ahead and package these up and put them in the plastic bag that they came with, and just like put them up until I decide to put my car back to stock in a couple years. So yeah. So first things first, I want to say shout out to Lasfit for sending me out these floor liners. If you don't know much about Lasfit, they're an aftermarket parts company with parts ranging from LED lights to floor liners like the ones I have for the Civic Type R. Funny thing, I was actually in the market for floor liners, and I'm so happy that Lasfit actually reached out to me and I can actually give these floor liners a shot. So first off, these floor mats were actually made out of thermoplastic elastomer. With that being said, no harsh chemicals were used when it came to creating these floor mats, which means it's safe for the environment. Next, these are actually made with digital precision to give a consistent fit throughout the whole car, so you don't have to worry about anything being too big or too long or too small when it comes to fitting them inside of your car. That's another thing that I was worried about, because a lot of times aftermarket parts, they don't exactly match up and you have to do a lot of trimming. So shout out to Lasfit for that. That being said, these aftermarket mats are actually comparable to the OEM mats when it comes to sizing. There's non-skid nails on the back, so you don't have to worry about them shifting from left to right. They actually stay in one spot and they're gonna stay there. You don't have to worry about them curling, cracking, or doing anything when the temperatures get low. So these are good for year round. You don't have to worry about anything because the quality is just spot on. Also, did I mention that they're easy to clean? Just pull them out. If you need to, you can hose them down, you can throw them right back in the car. You've got nothing to worry about. Simple as that. And that includes mud, slush, dirt, grime, anything that Mother Nature can throw at you. And guess what? Not only do they come with a lifetime warranty, but if you don't like it, within 90 days, you get your money back. Hey, can't beat that. And now I got something for you guys. If you guys use code Syrious10 at checkout when you're buying these floor mats, you get 10% off of your order. You can't beat that. So with that being said, I just want to say again, thank you Lasfit for reaching out to me, giving me these floor mats to try, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to be using them a lot, and you'll probably be seeing them a lot here in the video whenever I'm in the car. So thank you guys again, and let's get back to the video. Also, another thing, not only do you get 10% off of the floor mats, but you also get 10% off of their LED lights as well. So if you guys are super interested, go ahead and go down below into the description and you can find the link for both of those products. Now, we're really getting back to the video. Alright, so what I really wanted to do was I really wanted to finish this head and go ahead and put it on the block, but it's looking like I'm missing a couple dowel pins. So I'm gonna have to get these ordered from Honda and go ahead and try and get some OEM ones. It'll probably take a few days to come in. And I'm also missing the VTEC O-ring. I have the pin, I just need the O-ring. And yeah, I'm missing a couple of pins. Well, yeah, a couple of dowel pins. And also, what I wanted to do was go ahead and clear out a lot of that gunk that's in there. Like overall, this head is pretty clean. And I've cleaned it a bit, actually. Here, let me show you. I went ahead, I cleaned up all this, I took off all the remaining gasket sealer, and I got rid of a lot of the carbon that's built up on the valves. So I really can't do the next step until I get these O-rings and dowel pins. So that's the thing. And also I was gonna go ahead and get this gunk out today, but I ended up buying carburetor cleaner and not what is that called, brakes cleaner. And I don't want to use carburetor cleaner on this just because I don't know how it's gonna react. If you guys think I can use carburetor cleaner, let me know and I'll go ahead and do it. But still, kind of at a halt until I get these dowel rings and well, these these dowels and these O-rings. So yeah, I went ahead and cleaned up the ports too. As you can see, they're a lot clearer. I gotta go ahead and remove the rest of that gasket on there. But honestly, we're one step closer. Here's the block. Everything is ready. Just gotta put the oil pan on there. All the pistons are in there. And yeah, we're making progress actually. I'm making a lot of progress and I'm really happy about it. But so until I get this done, that was the thing I wanted to have done in this video, but it's looking like I'm not gonna be able to. I wanted to get this head onto the block, but it's looking like that's not gonna happen in this video. So I do apologize for that. Yep. Let me see here. So I want to say I can have this head on the block within the next couple days. All right, also one last thing before I end the video. If anyone wanted to see the EK hatch, it is dirty, but it's coming. Really can't wait to put the B18 C1 in here. Go ahead and have this thing on the road and make it into a fun track car / daily. Gotta do a little bit of cleaning in here as well. Fortunately, don't have the floor mats to go in the EK, but hey, who knows, maybe one day. Maybe one day. Okay guys, so with that being said, that concludes the video. If you made it this far, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Sorry I couldn't go ahead and put the head onto the block today, but hey, it is what it is. We're getting one step closer, and that's all that matters. So with that being said, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. And go to SeriousMedia.com. Make sure you get some merch, and also go check out Lasfit. Remember, use code Series10 for 10% off your order. Later.